Let's talk about the Ascension system and your practice. But before we do that, my name is Tristan Bond. I'm the CEO of Practice Acceleration. What we do is we help great healthcare professionals create thriving businesses with an emphasis on building a business that doesn't depend on you. The Ascension system is the missing link that makes all the difference to your patients and also to your business. Look, if you don't have one, in my opinion, you'll forever be on that back foot, missing out on extra profits, constantly chasing that new patient, only to be stuck on this hamster wheel. But look, it really doesn't have to be that way. So I encourage you, please keep watching and let's solve this together right now. An Ascension system, it's a system that you use to recommend additional services and products beyond your standard or your primary services. The way that this works is that when you do this, your patient will actually get an even better result than what they came to you for in the first place. Plus, it's the best opportunity for you to make extra profits. It's often or commonly referred to as the second sale or even complementary services, and some people even refer to it as upsells, but personally, I prefer the term Ascension system. Certainly this concept, it's not new, but what is new is actually systemizing the entire process. Not only is this literally the fastest and easiest way to increase your profitability, it's also free because you've already paid with your time and your money to acquire that patient in the first place. Plus, you've already delivered results to your patient by this stage. So the Ascension system, this opportunity, is not only logical, but it's actually what your patients want from you. Now, in fact, this opportunity, it's sitting right underneath your nose. So listen, I know you might be wondering, why do Ascension opportunities work so well? And that's a fantastic question. But first, I want to address something, perhaps a new perspective that could just well change your business and your life. The quality of the questions we ask, they really do determine the results that we achieve. For example, what if instead of asking, how can I get more new patients all the time, instead you asked, how can I provide an even better service to my patients and at the same time grow my business within that process? The Ascension system is in fact the answer to that exact question. And it goes even one step further in that it creates raving fans that refer like crazy and then refill that system. So how can you get started? Well, that's a great question. Well, firstly, here's what you need to do. List off what your patients need beyond their primary care. That is step one. Step two, add in new solutions and then next steps. Much like climbing a ladder, make the next step for your patient very clear and logical so they can ascend to that next step with you. Number three, this is really simple, start recommending that next step to your patients. And then number four, turn your sales system into a process that becomes part of your standard operating procedures, and then you can track it and measure it. And then finally, number five, once you've done the first four steps, teach your team how to ask for that next step. Listen, patients aren't going to ask you. You've got to lead them. You've got to make the opportunity available. And that is how you get started with your Ascension system. Clients in our private coaching program, the Practice Machine, they are dominating with this process. They're making more income, they are working less, and they're helping their patients even more by using this system. And I'm excited because now you can do the same. Hey, if you found this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up below and subscribe to my channel to grow your practice. And if you want to connect and you want to find out how we can help you to grow your practice, please click the link in the description and then you can book a call.